With eSATA, you can have up to 1,500 MB. Okay? Now, when I say 1,500 MB, it's not really exactly 1,500 MB because, of course, there's a bottleneck when you go inside the PC. The processor has to process the data and everything else. For example, when I say 350 on the SATA, it'll probably give you around 200 MB per second. Okay, so it's not exactly the same. I'm just trying to tell you that the eSATA will give you just about the fastest connection to your PC possible today. Okay. Now that's the MSO3. It fits a normal 3.5-inch hard drive, SATA hard drives. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Now, although a lot of people buy the 3.5-inch hard drive enclosures, they usually just keep it at home. They don't want to bring it around with them because they use it for backing up their data. What people usually buy to take around with them is a 2.5-inch hard drive, like this one. This is the normal one, but we're going to show you the Silverstone ones. Okay. Let's start off with this one. Okay. This is the MSO2. Of course, like its big brother, the MSO3. The MSO2 is a sleek, metal polished hard drive enclosure. Comes with a leather case too. So as you can see, it's really classic, you know. It's got this minimalist, clean, shiny design. I just can't explain. Like I said, it's better if you touch it yourself. It's really clean, and you can feel it's really solid. It also comes with a button, because when you buy this, it comes with a software that you install on your computer. And when you click this button, it's one-touch backup. You can instantly back up your email or certain folders that you assign to it. So that's pretty neat. Most of the hard drive enclosures that are sold here don't come with something like that. It comes with a USB cable, of course, and a pouch, all in a neatly tucked package. Okay. Now moving on to the next one, we have this. Well, let's leave that to the last. Now, I want to tell you about that later. This is the another 3.5-inch hard drive. What's different about this is called the MSO5. It's a portable hard drive enclosure that functions similarly like normal hard drive enclosures. It's got a USB port. It also has a SATA port, which allows you for eSATA file transfer. But basically, this eSATA port here is really special because on your computer at home, you can put up this docking bay. On your computer at home, you can put up this docking bay. This device locks up on your floppy bay where you put in your floppy disk. You can see that. Okay. And what happens is, no more cables when you want to back up your data. You can just slide this in. See? You get my point? So when you're backing up your data, when you're done backing up your data and you want to take your data with you, you can just pull it out, take it with you, and plug it to any other PC via normal eSATA or USB ports. But when you take it at home and you want to plug it in your PC, you don't need to fumble around with the cables and the power cables or what have you. You just slide it in and it connects to your PC right away. Now that is available only from Silverstone. Now for the last one, my favorite. This is called the TSO1, the Treasure Series of Silverstone. Now when looking at, there's nothing special about it. It's a metal, it's clean. It still has the unique design of Silverstone where everything is just so clean. The build is really fantastic. It's got a neat USB port here. But what's this? There's a little sensor here. Actually, with this one, it has the technology to allow you to lock up your data with a key. Amazing, huh? Okay, let me explain a little more about it. You're bringing this around. You have your backup data here. Your emails, your important documents, your financial statements, all in your portable hard drive. But what if somebody steals it? All your data is exposed to the world, and it could bring your company down even. But with this one, you're pretty safe because all you need is this key. Now, all you need to do is put this on the sensor here. When you put it just near it, it's gonna make a beeping sound, like beep. Okay, did you hear that? Beep. When it makes the first beeping sound, the LED light from red, it will turn into blue. And once it's in blue, you can now transfer all your files back to your data. Once you lock it up again, the LED light is going to turn into red. And all your data is encrypted. So if this gets stolen, nobody will be able to copy your data. Nobody. So you're pretty safe. And that technology is only from Silverstone. It's actually the first in the world. Nobody else has this. So what are you waiting for? Go to your nearest computer shop now and get a Silverstone product. As you can clearly see, the evolution of technology is so amazing. You know, who would have ever thought that they could make something more out of a portable hard drive enclosure? The only thing you do is to back up your data or take your data around with you. But because of the way technology has evolved, it can do more things now. Protect your data or make it easier for you to transfer your data from one PC to another. If you want to know more about these products, you can visit the nearest computer shop near you, or we'll be flashing up on the screen all the computer shops and all the dealers that are carrying this product. We'd like to thank, of course, www.fineupgrades.com for providing us with these products. And watch out for our next episode. You're gonna love it, guys. Especially for you gamers. Like what I said earlier in the show, we're gonna be having a special segment already on each show. But to kick that off, it's gonna be there's gonna be a special guest from BFWGaming.com who's gonna feature Guitar Hero 3 and its Xbox 360. So watch out for that. This has been Ryan, your host, and thank you for watching Tech Island.